In this tutorial we're going to talk about adding tables to your publisher document. So we go this time to insert, okay, and we go to table. Now I'm going to add a 3 column by 3 row, so I'm going to highlight 3 by 3, okay, and there's our table. Again, it has the green circle to rotate it. Now you'll notice that there's a grey area around the table. Now if I select the grey area and then for example I do a fill, okay, you'll notice that it does it to the whole table. If I could do Ctrl Z, and this time I'm going to click in one cell, the center one, and do a fill, it only does the fill in that cell. Now I'm going to click in another cell. I'm going to click on the down arrow this time because I'm going to put in another colour. So I'm going to select another colour, I'm going to put it there, I'm going to do the same this time, but I'm going to have that colour, and so on. Okay, so you can put different colours in different cells. Now next thing we're going to do, okay, is I'm going to select the whole table again, but this time we're going to change the borders. So I'm going to click by the word borders and click the down arrow. Okay, if I did left border, it would just do the left hand side. Okay, if I click here and I do right border, it would do the right hand side. Okay, if I clicked on all borders, it would do the whole lot. Same applies if I do by cell. So click in a cell, okay, I'm going to do a right border, so it's only done the border of that cell. Okay, do top one this time, okay, and I'm going to do the left hand one. So now what we can do, something I haven't shown you, if we click on there, okay, if I go to here I can change the colours. Okay, I'm going to put all borders, there we are, and we've changed. So the if we click on these ones here, okay, we can change the colours and the thickness of the lines of the borders. Now you'll notice also this side, okay, gives us styles that have already been sorted for us, and there's quite a few of those. Okay, I'm going to leave it on that one. Now inside the table, okay, we can change the layout of the table. So if I click on this tab here saying layout, okay, a whole new section appears. So what we could do is add more columns, okay, either side. We could add more rows. Okay, now this time, now just very quickly, that's happened because I've highlighted, okay, 3 columns. So let's just go Control Z, Control Z. I'm going to this time highlight just one of those, okay, and I'm going to go insert above. So that's just inserted one row above. Okay, right, now just going to quickly put in some text here. Okay, now what has happened at the moment, okay, or something I've not shown you before, we can change the row height and we can do the same to the widths as well. Okay, that's something I've not shown you before, but that very clearly shows you now that the alignment of these cells is in the top left hand corner. Again, we can change that like we've done before, so we could make it vertically and horizontally centered. Okay, let's just select the cells before. Okay, and of course if we highlight them we can go in and change the font size if we wanted to as well, and the font style and color. Now let's just quickly go back. The only thing that I haven't spoken about, okay, if I click in here, okay, is the text direction. So I'm going to click in this cell here, I'll click on text direction, and you can tell that it's actually changed it from being as normal and being put on its side. Now final piece that we'd like to know, okay, if we highlight the whole table we can press the delete button, or we can just select delete table and the whole table goes.